Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at YFI or YEARN Finance, currently ranked at 93 with a market cap of just $511 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $423 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So as you can see, for the day we are up 13.7% right here for YFI. And without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We are on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? So congratulations for every single one who has been with us. You will know we were buying YFI from the $5,000, $4,000 level right here on the channel. We were screaming, and congratulations to everybody. We are up a whopping 192%, right? So, and we said our targets, right, for November was the 10 and the $12,000. We have exceeded that target, so congratulations to every single person, right, who was in that trade. We have seen that huge push to the upside. So what is next right here for YFI, right? YFI has seen that huge push to the upside. We are currently at the resistance level of about 15,272. If we see this 4-hourly candle close above this $15,000 level, then expect to see the price for YFI, right, to move to as high as the $17,000 level, right? That means we could still see YFI push up another 15% to the upside. So we could just watch this 4-hourly candle. That candle closes in 2 hours. As you can see, 2 hours at 1 minute 36 seconds, right? So if we see that candle closes above the $15,272 level, then expect this huge push to the upside to the $17,700 level. But if we see that candle close below this level, then expect that we could see some sort of consolidation and probably a retrace back even into that $12,000 level, right? So everything is still dependent right here on this 4-hourly candle close. And basically, if we look at the volume profile, as you can see, volume profiles is still very bullish. So there's high likelihood we could see prices push even towards the $17,000 level right here, $17,700, $300 level, right? As you can see, the volume profile showing momentum is still bullish, volume is still bullish, huge buying price action still coming in. So there's high likelihood that we should still expect furthermore upside, but to just be on the safe side, wait for this 4-hourly candle close on the 4-hourly time frame. If we close above the 15,272, then we are expecting a higher upside right here for YFI, right? So that's the update for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.